going to learn the sounds of letter. How many letters are there in English alphabet? 26. And they are A, B, C, D, right?